How to make this scene in Unreal Engine 5 with AI image. Let's start it. First, I need to create a new level. Change the name. Here next, I need to add some light. Here I add the environment light mixers, and I select all of them. And here I add a new folder. And I create a new plane. Rotation is and change this value because the AI images ratio is 60:9. Here is the image. And now I create a new material and just these images into here. I connect it to paste colors and M key and left keys to create a new multiplies. I connect it and one and left keys to create the value. Apply it and drag it to our plane and rotation it. Okay, then next we open the fab and type the MOSI. And here you can choose what assets you want. I have downloaded the asset here. So the next, I select our character and drag it into our scene and rotation it. Here we can drag some assets into our scene and make sure our asset is close to image. Here, this offset I think is close to the image. Yeah. And next we need to create a new sequencer. You change the name and ingest our characters into the sequencer and select one of animation and here I want to add some visual effect post-processing value. And here I type is an unbound. I'm select it and usually I'd like to make the exposure to switch into the menus. And here I add the camera I join into the sequencer. And change the camera position. Here, I create a new keyframe. And I think I can change the position and scale it up. And here, I want to change the direction light. We press the here, you can, and we make sure the direction light is close to our background's lighting. You can see this here. Can change the direction light's direction is close to our background's lighting's direction. I think here is better now. And I think this lighting is intensity is too strong, so I change this value, and maybe it's 4. Yeah, I think it's better. And the next, we just put some offsets into our scene. Sometimes we just copy the offsets and rotation is or scale it up. Just put them into the right place. And sometimes you need to change the material colors. But in our scene, this material, the offset is I think is matched to our scene. So I don't need to change the material colors. And here I need to add some line to our character, because I think the character's back is too dark. And I want this light only affect our characters. So I need to change the character's lighting channel. Yeah, I think the scene is finished. And now I need to make the cameras have a slow motion. And here I just drag the ground. Here you can see some ground have some edge. Yeah, I think it's better now. And change the into linear. We play it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.